I'm out of breath because I ran up the stairs. I'm so excited to make this vlog because I am running my first mini marathon. Now I've ran the distance before by myself. I've never timed it. So very exciting. It is on Saturday. Today's Thursday night. I just got back from a walk. Tomorrow is going to be a complete rest day besides work. I have been training all year. It's May 1st. I've been training since January. I'll go to my Garmin watch app here. I've ran 445 miles this year so far, which is pretty cool. This last month of April was my highest mileage. I ran 125 miles, 120 in March, and 100 in February and January. So I just joked about forgetting my running shoes, so I am packing my running shoes first. I have the Brooks Caldera 6s. Not gonna lie, they're fugly and they kind of hurt my feet sometimes, but overall they're super comfortable. I just am super prone to blisters. So I have some snacks for the race. This will probably be my breakfast, a macro bar, and then I've got 2 honey stinger gels. I like to have one every I'll probably do every 4 miles. I'll eat this at mile 4 and then this one at maybe mile 8 or 9. I think that'll be good. And then just some Ritz crackers just in case. A little extra carbs last minute. So I'm gonna grab, like I said, I'm very prone to blisters. I had this big old value pack of Band-Aids. I'll wrap my feet up real good. Aquaphor, because I chafe really bad on super long runs, like on my chest. Biofreeze. Gonna laugh at me, but a laxative. Y'all, if you can't go before your race when you know you have to, you're gonna be shit out of luck. So you might as well take something so that you can go. I'll pack the rest of my toiletries later, but I just want to make sure I get the essentials. I don't have my outfit picked out because the weather's looking a little iffy, and I've got some laundry that's being finished, and it's got my good stuff in there, like my favorite running bras and socks and stuff. So I will wait for that, but it is going to be cold and raining. I like to drink these instead of a liquid IV because it's so much cheaper, but it does practically the same thing. You might just need to have 2. But it's just powder Gatorade, and I get the 0 because regular Gatorade has way too much sugar in it. And then this is my gym bag. It's so cute, my Dega. So out of here, I'm gonna grab my headphones, the charger. I have a Lulu fanny pack. I don't remember what the actual word is. People use it as a purse. I use it, I tie it tight for my waist, and then I use it to keep my phone, pepper spray. I'll put the honey zingers in there. Anything I think I might need. All I have left to pack is my toiletries and pajamas, and then what I'm gonna actually wear to the race, and then clothes to change out of after the race. I'm so excited. I'm so nervous. It's gonna be cold and rainy, which is typical, I guess. We've had really beautiful weather here in Indiana, and now it's obviously just gonna get crappy because I have really big plans. So I know what I'm gonna need. Every big race that I run, or any race I do, I guess, I braid my hair in the prison braid. So I'm gonna bring my comb and my little hair ties. On the way to the hodl. Very excited, but I feel like my nerves are already hitting me a little bit just because we're not there. We got plenty of time, but it's gonna be cold.
Yeah.
Pretty sick view for the hotel. Excited. Gotta go walk to go get my packet.
I did not say.
I look like a tourist.
Yeah.
vlogger. Love it. Got my bib. Second wig. Food check. Isn't that what Adam LZ says? What if I just prop it open or up and film myself eating like on Mr. Bean? Remember when he was eating the like crawfish thing and it was like yeah. I'm about to shower or bathe, but I wanted to show what was all in the goodie bag. I'm sure there was more free stuff, but it was so packed. So I got a free hat. Can you just like be quiet for 1 second? So inconsiderate. I'm filming. I'm sorry. Anyway, we forgot our toothbrushes. They had free toothbrushes. And then the front desk people had toothpaste for us, so that's nice. Got a little navy bib. I might put that in the back. And then I got my big bib on the front. And then a t-shirt. And I got a long sleeve, which is super clutch. So, yeah. Very exciting. And then a wristband for a free beer tomorrow after the race. Today is the day. So excited. Gotta get dressed. I just had a freaking nosebleed. Very weird. Haven't had one all year, even though I've been a little congested. I'm gonna use my Aquaphor stick and just put it anywhere I think I'm gonna chafe. I'm gonna just put Ivory literally everywhere. Alright, got this crazy jacket. Fit check. Goodness. So I ended up running around a 1:43. I was 10 minutes behind the initial start time, which would have been like the group 1, and I was in group 2. I was feeling so good. Like, I felt phenomenal. Like, that was like the best race I've ever felt. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I love 5Ks and I do pretty well in 10Ks, but this, I was just flying until like mile 10 and I died. However, my pace was still really good and I was just super excited overall. And I have to admit that tears were shed.
when you go around the track at the 500, which is kind of like why I wanted to do it anyway, they have the Golden Mile, which is Gold Star families set up their pictures of their lost like service members from their family, and it goes on for an entire mile. And not only that, oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry again, but like there was a dude that was really struggling going up into the track because he was in a wheelchair. People were trying to help him and he was like, no, I got this, I got this. And he ended up passing me anyway on the track. He was just flying. And there was other people with prosthetics and people pushing strollers, and it was just such an emotional experience because I feel like it's such a privilege to be able-bodied, and I just feel like an experience like this has really brought in a lot of gratitude to my heart and my mind. And I'm filming this a few months later, and obviously a lot of things in the world have happened that have been really negative, and in my personal life, like super, super sad, lots of grief. But I loved this experience and I'm totally doing it again, and I'm really hoping I break 140 next year. But it was just such a fun race, and anybody who has any thoughts of doing it should, because you can really prove something to yourself, first of all, but second of all, it's a fulfillment thing, and it really just helps you build some gratitude. So thank you for watching. Sorry, I just got like really emotional, and yeah, see you in the next video. Also, I signed up for next year, so, and I'm at like, gosh, I'm already at like almost 1,000 miles for the year. So I think this race really just threw me into some great training, and hopefully we'll see some 5K PRs soon. I don't know, fingers crossed. Yeah, so I'll quit yapping. Goodbye.